How to redeem an Amazon gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can basically redeem an Amazon gift card. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, if you'd like to redeem an Amazon gift card, all you have to do is first of all launch the Amazon application and then just make sure that you are signed into your account, as you can see here. Then once you're signed into your account, you want to tap the account icon from the bottom of the screen, as you can find here. Once you tap on the account icon and come to this page, you want to just tap the account button which says your account at the very top. Once you go to the option called your account at the very top, you're going to land on this page where you have to just scroll down and then look for the option called payment and subscription, or you want to simply go to manage gift card balance here. So just tap on manage gift card balance. Once you go to manage gift card balance, here you'll find redeem another gift card. So you want to tap on redeem another gift card here. As you tap on redeem another gift card, you can choose to scan the claim code by using your phone's camera over here, or what you can do is you can also choose to enter the code manually. So you can basically come back like this and then you can simply make sure to enter the Amazon gift card code, then tap the apply to your balance button. Depending upon the value of the gift card, it is going to be successfully applied to your Amazon account. This is how you can redeem an Amazon gift card. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.